In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Google Chrome from Yahoo. If Chrome has suddenly started using Yahoo instead of Google, it usually means your default search engine was changed or an extension modified your settings. Don't worry, this is a quick fix, and I'll walk you through it clearly. First, let's switch Chrome back to Google using the built-in settings. Open Google Chrome, then click the three dots in the top right corner and choose Settings. In the left sidebar, select Search Engine. You'll see an option labeled Search Engine used in the address bar. Click that and choose Google from the list. This tells Chrome to use Google whenever you type a search in the address bar. Next, it's a good idea to remove Yahoo completely from Chrome's search engine list so it doesn't reappear later. Still in Settings, go to Search Engine, then click Manage Search Engines. Find Yahoo in the list, click the three dots next to it, and select Delete. With Yahoo out of the way, make sure Google is set as the default. This keeps your searches routed through Google going forward. If Yahoo keeps coming back, that's a strong sign an extension or other software is forcing the change. To fix that, open the three-dot menu again, go to Extensions, and click Manage Extensions. Look through your installed extensions and remove anything suspicious or unfamiliar, especially items related to search, results, or redirects. Less is more here. If you don't recognize it, it's safer to remove it. After cleaning up, restart Chrome so the changes fully take effect. Browser hijackers often re-enable Yahoo until the extension responsible is removed, so this step is important. If you're still seeing Yahoo after removing extensions, reset Chrome to its original defaults. In the address bar, type Chrome/settings, reset, and press Enter. Click Restore Settings to Original Defaults. A reset returns Chrome's settings to their factory state and clears out hidden changes that cause redirects. For peace of mind, a reset does not delete your bookmarks, history, or saved passwords. It mainly resets settings and disables extensions so you can start fresh. To recap why this happens, it's most commonly caused by installed extensions, free software that bundled unwanted changes, or so-called browser hijacker programs. These can override your preferences and set Yahoo as the search engine without asking. By restoring Google as the default, removing Yahoo from the list, cleaning up extensions, and resetting if needed, you take back control of your browser quickly and safely.